Welcome to our channel. If you want to grow a blog for income, follow these step-by-step instructions to build a successful and profitable platform. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche that matches your interests and expertise. Research what topics have high search volume and monetization potential through advertising, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Step 2. Set up your blog using a reliable platform like WordPress. Purchase a domain name and hosting service that reflects your brand and niche focus. Step 3. Create high-quality, SEO-optimized content consistently. Focus on solving problems for your target audience and use keyword research tools to identify what people are searching for in your niche. Step 4. Build your email list from day one. Offer a valuable lead magnet like a free guide or checklist in exchange for email addresses to establish direct communication with your audience. Step 5. Monetize your blog through multiple income streams, including display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own digital products or services. Step 6. Promote your content on social media platforms where your target audience spends time. Engage with communities in your niche to drive traffic back to your blog. Step 7. Track your analytics to understand what content performs best and optimize your strategy based on data-driven insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.